Alright, let's get in here and see what we got. You see it? This is what looks silver to me.
See the dime.
Man, come on, really?
I think it is.
That'd be the coin of the day, probably. Yeah, ain't no doubt in my mind.
You got?
You got a whole nail.
Yeah, that's nice.
I've only got one of them whole. And then I dug this little doodad.
Okay.
I don't know. Mine's fancier, I think. That's okay.
Nah,
4-0. Checking it out. Manicore 300. Deus 2. Alright, target number 2 coming in right here. Could be junk. Oh, I thought it was going to be a coin or a penny, but I guess it's not. It's some kind of. Is it a parasol top? If it is, we're going to stay right here for a while. Squirrel, he's gone. He's going to the zone. Me and Matt will hit this little area here, I think. Pretty good. I'm going to check with this Go Terrain app. Probably figure that one out today. Well, I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is, though. Parasol slide. Yeah, alright. Cool. Alright, here's an 88. Same little area. He's down in the water. Ain't no squirrel nowhere. We'll hear him scream as he goes down the creek. This is probably a part of that parasol, but I don't know. Marking all these targets with a Go Terrain app. Another awesome little trinket. I suppose that is. It's definitely a relic.
Pretty cool.
Any decoration on there?
Something on there, a little bit.
Little fancy on there. That's alright. Don't worry about that.
Yeah,
Cool, man. Alright. What we got here?
You got the shank on, I think.
Check her out, man. Man, a button. That's the first good thing today, I think.
It's flat.
Man, of course, liking that big coil, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, nice one. I've got the shank on there.
Hey, she's excellent shape.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Go find more. Alright, let's get in here and see what we got. You see it? This is what looks silver to me. That's what it is. Real. Pretty sure. I don't think that's a button. I don't see a shank mark or anything. That's a real. Look at that silver coming. One. She looks like a cob. Creepy, huh?
Cool.
So there's, man, she's smooth feeling. She's a cobby style too. I can see the head right there. You can see his face on it. Yeah. Yeah, there's the back of his head. Just dug a 70. Yeah, little piece of lid. I'm still right in this little area where we found a real, but Matt found that nice button and some colonial junk artifacts, but I don't mind lid. I'm heading back to where we found the coins. Squirrel, he's out there. He's on his own mission, enjoying himself. So let's continue with the video. Not sure what this was, but I'm pretty sure it's precious metal there. Looks like maybe a piece off of a ring. That's what I'm thinking. It could be gold underneath there, couldn't it? Well, could be brass, but don't know. Like a leafy pattern there. You can see it good or not. I'm thinking there might be more of it here. I don't see any fresh breaks, so maybe I didn't do it, but we'll find it if it's here. So I'm pretty sure that's just not your normal jump. It's some kind of little accoutrement. Definitely a birthday to remember. And another 88. I've left the hoard, but look at that. He's in there just waiting for me. I'm pretty sure that's a coin. Isn't that cool? So let's see. I know better than this, of course. There's some detail on there. That's good. That's probably where I'm going to leave that right there. I don't want to take no more off. Check it out. Sorry about the low light conditions. I don't know what's up with that. It's cloudy. Supposed to rain. I'm going to mark this spot and filter around a little bit because there's a little hill over here, as you can see. Look at that. There's a real round ball there. So 66 at first, or 62 or something like that. Went to a 58. Then down to a 54 once I got it uncovered. Another pocket watch. Makes number 4 on this property. Gold too. Look at that. Wow. I see it. We found a squirrel. He's back there in the whole plant burying nuts. But yeah, nothing else. Shotgun shell. Cool. Cool. Some ditch fodder. Yeah. Look at that button. Pine cave. Flipper over. Would have been a shank though. Pretty cool though. Nice button. Lots of them.
Squirrel! Hey, America!
Happy face for Peter.
Yeah, look what Squirrel found today.
See what you got.
You didn't think he was here. Smiling, see. Well, now I found 3 Colt 45 caps.
Man, that's rare back here.
And I found that, I don't know what in the world that is.
That looks old.
It is. I got my beef.
Might be decorative too.
I found that.
That's a relic. Whatever we call that. That's good stuff.
And I found another Colt 45 cap.
God, boy, that's a double deuce.
There's some drinkers there. I buried one of them.
That must
Then,
I know where they come from. They come at you.
then over there by the creek, I think that's the old key.
Cool. God, look at that, boy.
And I found that over there by the creek.
Now that's what you want to find.
Yeah.
Here's your relic.
Relic. Oh, yeah, well, let me put the relic.
Look at the size of that key.
Yeah. And I was looking hard. Oh, there's the other 45.
That's fantastic right there.
Yeah. I found this. I don't know. It's a washer.
Let me know if you don't want that. That might be a history item.
That's something.
Some rings.
Oh, wait a minute. I ain't done yet.
Parasol thing.
Wait a minute. I ain't done yet.
Oh, he's going to wow us,
I
folks.
got one more little thing. Oh, good God, no. Look, he's found him something. Here we go.
There
Found
it is.
another Indian head penny.
All right now. It's mage. Nice.
Found that. It's worth 1 cent.
After.
There you go.
All right, now silver. Finding them coins.
See, I didn't go in that part. I went on the wood.
All right.
Now over.
Finding Indian heads, and this is all crap over here. I mean, straight garbage in there.
I
We're
was
gonna hit it though.
hedge there and there. I don't know what in the world that stuff is. When I started.
Show them that
digging-
key.
Oh,
Check
key.
this thing out, Jack.
Found that over there by the ditch.
That's like a jail cell key, or maybe a school key. You know, to the front door.
That's neat.
Pretty cool.
I found that along the ditch, and then the rest of the way, all the way down.
That's where we're heading. You leave this. In the meantime, it'll be right here. Look at that. It's round. It's a bit penny. Let's see what we got here. Somebody's laid in them geese, boy. They're flying too. Almost got Bobby toed that day. Is it Indian? Yeah, get her clean. Telling stories, this and that. This was what really makes detective fun. They'd already had a car hooked up. Yeah, that's just a Lincoln. I see the one now. Coin. Weedy. Excited.
You like that one? Dime.
No, it's like a Barber or something.
It's one dime. I think it's a seated dime.
Man, come on, really?
I think it is.
That'd be the coin of the day, bro.
Is it?
Look like it, man. Or the Barber.
Ah, it's a Barber.
No, that's just as pretty.
Yeah. First one I found.
That's first silver back here, I think.
First Barber.
Barber dime. A Barber dime. There she is. That's pretty too.
Pretty.
Where's your foo-foo?
I don't got none.
Man, spit on him.
Yeah. Right.
Get that real deal.
She cleaned out, huh?
Don't get smell off.
Yeah.
Oh man.
She's pretty.
Yeah.
The meeting. Score there, Jack.
The thing's half for itself.
Yes, sir. Yeah. No joke. Got a button.
Pretty cool.
That one of them old army buttons. Got little round stars on it.
Got something around the edge. I'll clean it up.
Clean her up. We got time. Boy, the gloves are off. Technique there now.
Got a little, looks like an eagle on it a little bit.
That's what I think it is. Clean her up. That's worth checking out. Squirrel.
Ain't cleaning up too good. It's got an 8 over there.
Mmm. Be a good one. Gotta send me a picture later.
Yeah.
The gear, yeah.
Some kind of weird.
I'll say a little rougher. She could have been a spur, but I don't think yeah, it's just a
Yeah, I don't know. Like you said, it could be. Like you said,
spur row
like
or something.
It's brass. Or it's green.
Could be on that pocket watch. Pocket watch makes fun. It's funny having it we found here. One I got what kind of use a little key for. I give that to man the other day.
Yeah, I don't know.
Put it in the museum.
Pretty cool.
Yes, sir. Something. Little gear thing or a spur, one or the other.
Yeah, it is, but more like a spur.
Another coin.
Nah. I would say it's a spur because I don't know if I know gear stuff. It'd be nice if we can find the rest of the parts.
Oh.
Festus. Clink, 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 clink. I don't know. That'd be a weird.
You know what that might be off a clock.
Could be. She's real aggressive, is the only thing. It's not a very accurate gear. Look at that nugget.
Oh my God.
Now, that's a round ball.
That's a round ball
That might
there.
be Civil War size.
Boy, she's heavy too.
Mm-hmm.
She's loaded with lead. You don't feel that thing. Feel how heavy that is.
Good Lord.
That thing's heavy.
Yeah,
For what it is.
man, it's a beast.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Nice round ball. Do we have a cut coin?
Yeah,
Yeah, you know that in my mind.
I saw that and I said, man.
Which come up?
Oh,
No,
remember
go
that
rub it.
75? Remember that 38.75?
Got his first real.
Yeah, a half of one. That's better than
Oh,
nothing.
they're cool. We'll have to put her on the microscope so you can see her.
I ain't got one.
I do. I'll have to take it home with you. That's nice. There's some smiles.
Something.
All right, that was a good one. How far back were you? Anyway, we won't tell you. Man, we're getting out of here just in time.
Charity.
Turn the Duke.
Yeah, if you want.
Oh, what is that?
Right on top.
Man, look.
Right on top of the ground.
That's
Then you
a,
have to dig for it.
man, that's a half penny. Scrape a little bit.
Yeah, shooting right on top.
You don't get that very often.
old. Yeah, I'm afraid to mess with it. I'm pretty sure it's at least a king.
Pretty
King
cool,
Charles,
huh?
a third.
Right on top.
Yeah, that's a nice corner here.